Hi, welcome back. In this session, we will see how to get the current value of identity and sequence in Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle database. In the part 5, we have seen how to work with identity and sequence in both the databases. In this session, we will see how to get the current value from identity and sequence. Let's jump to Microsoft SQL Server to demonstrate this example. I have already created a table EMP in Microsoft SQL Server and I have set identity column for EMP ID column and it is primary key 2. So if I run select star from EMP, you can see here 3 rows. Now let us insert another row and we will see the identity value, what exact it is. To insert another row, I am writing begin to start a transaction, then insert into EMP first name comma last name. Here EMP ID is not required because it is automatically considered from identity column. Then values, here I will give the first name as Suresh and the last name is Suresh Kumar. Then I will write in the second line select at identity. So this at identity is a keyword from Microsoft SQL Server to fetch the current identity value. Then I will end this begin transaction statement. Now let's run this. So the supposed to be 4 has to come. Yeah, here it is a 4 because we have 3 rows already and this is a 4th row. Now if I execute another time, the next identity value should be 5. So let us run the begin transaction query. Yeah, here we get 5, 1 row inserted and we got 5. Now if I run another time, then it is 6 because identity is incremented by 1. Now the same how we can achieve in Oracle. Let us jump to Oracle. Now in Oracle, I have created an employee table same as Microsoft SQL Server. The only difference is here identity is not working. Instead of that, I am using sequence. Now the script, insert script I will write. I will start the begin transaction, then insert into EMP. Here I have to enter EMP ID column as well. Then first name comma last name. Now I have to give the values to these columns. The first column is employee ID and this is a sequence name I have to give here, that is EMP underscore EMP ID dot next value. So it will give the next value from the sequence followed by the first name and last name. Here I will give the first name as Ramesh and second name as Kumar. Then I will end this transaction, begin transaction. Now we want to print the current value. For that I am using here dbms underscore out dot put line. So inside this put line I will enter a string value is, then I will add the sequence dot current value, that is the sequence name is emp underscore emp id underscore current value currval, that is a keyword. Sequence dot current value, it will return us the what exactly the value is inserted to this table. Now let us select star from EMP. You can see here 8 rows already inserted. So the next value should be 9 because we are incrementing by 1. So I will execute this line. Now you can see the value is 9 and 1 row is inserted. So this is a method where we can get a current value from sequence in Oracle database. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.